Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. A lot of people might not know about this tool. I very seldom ever use it myself, but it's pretty cool. It's called the mesh warp design or mesh warp effect. So what we're going to do, we're going to take just a 2-point line. I'm going to make it like that size, and then I'm going to go to, which is 10 points, go up to object and convert the outline to an object. Well, then I wanted something that I remember. So with my ratio unlocked, I'm going to make it 0.125 thick, which is 1/8 of an inch. So I'm going to set my nudge factor on 1/4. I'm going to Control D and duplicate it and move it over, and then just keep hitting Control D as many times as you want. Now to make this work, you've got to Control G to group, and then you don't have to hit P. Then with the item selected, go to Effects and Distort and Mesh Warp. Bring this out of the way and look what it's already done my last setting, but you could move these handles and get a different look, totally, completely different than before. And it's pretty cool. I used to wonder how and you could actually just bring it up and get a total different look. Look at that. I mean, if you really look at it, it's almost messes with your eyes. Let's try one more thing. Let's hit the Shift key and hold down the rectangle tool. Put a rectangle around it. Let's nudge that rectangle out of the way just a little bit. Let's nudge it like 5 inches and try to grab the rectangle. If you don't, you'll grab the other one, which is fine. So we can take this rectangle now and let's make it a dark blue, and then nudge it back over, go up to Object, Order, Back a Page, and you'll see a total different look. And you could make it any color you wanted. If you click on it, I've got the black. I need to get the blue. Sometimes this might be difficult. That's why I nudged that out of the way. And so you could take your blue and make it yellow and then nudge it back. And look at that. It really makes it highlighted. Let's try one more thing. Let's nudge that out of the way. And let's take this and make it white. Okay, now you can't see it, but look, let's make this black. And you get just basically the opposite. Pretty cool effect. Hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.